Thanksgiving to all my Caribbean and big back Jamaican foodies celebrating Thanksgiving abroad today. Alright? But point to note, one, nobody turn up at the people them house with any of these. Alright? At least walk with a little plate of food, even if it's just vegetable. Alright? Hide the greediness just a little bit. Two, please don't go to the people them yard go eat out of them pot. It is not proper delicacy. Alright? Three, nobody go to the people them yard go chew up them bone. Okay? Leave the bone them for them dog. Remember, you are bougie. You are bougie. Okay? I saw it go. You tell me. Go and go eat and have a good time and have a belly busting time of laughter. You deserve it. Take a happy Thanksgiving from 876 Culture to you. Alright? Big up yourself.